Hey guys, what's happening? How to choose the best brokerage account for beginners. So, the first thing you need to know if you want to, select a brokerage account, right? Low and no fees. Avoid accounts with high commissions or maintenance fees. Free trades, more money for you. Easy to use app. As a beginner, you need a clean interface, not a Wall Street cockpit. Next, account minimums. Choose a broker with $0 minimum so you can start small. Next, research and education. Look for built-in tools, tutorials, and stock screeners to help you learn. Lastly, the customer support. Reliable support matters when you're new and panic selling your first dip. So, examples for beginner: Fidelity, Schwab, Robinhood for simplicity, Vanguard for long-term investing. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.